Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is nanoparticles, 1 to 100 nanometers across with massive surface area for their size. By the end of this video, you'll know why they're useful when they're already in your life and what risks they pose. Nanoparticles are particles between 1 and 100 nanometers across. That's between 1 and 100 billionths of a meter. They have a much large surface area to volume ratio than bulk material. That makes them extremely reactive and great as catalysts. Three things. 1. Nanoparticles are tiny but still contain thousands of atoms. They're not single atoms. 2. High surface area makes them very reactive. And 3. Uses include sunscreens, cosmetics, electronics, medical imaging, and antibacterial coatings. Common slip. Assuming halving the size halves the surface area, it does the opposite, doubling the surface area to volume ratio. Smaller particles are dramatically more reactive than bulk samples. That can be a benefit or a health risk. Quick example, nanotitanium dioxide goes into sunscreen. It blocks UV but stays transparent on the skin, unlike chunky white zinc oxide. Nanosilver goes into wound dressing. It kills bacteria thanks to its huge reactive surface area. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.